So you're looking for a security system with AI technology? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Aosu T2 solar-powered security system with Aosu Cortex. Aosu Cortex is Aosu's amazing security with AI. It also has solar panels in it, so it's solar-powered, and it's 4K. This thing is nice. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Let's take a look at the Aosu T2 Aosu Cortex system. We've got two solar powered cameras and the Aosu Cortex hub right here. It's going to allow you to store all your footage. Don't have to rely on the cloud. Packaging right here looks fantastic, but as you know, Aosu makes high quality things that look great, so let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this user manual right here. We got a little quick start guide. This is just going to give you all the information on what's in the box, how to set up the app, how to install it, and how to just get things working super quickly. So super cool. Make sure you keep this. Two solar panels are included, and these are USB-C solar panels, and as you see, they've also got the little rubber stopper on it to keep it waterproof. So very, very nice, but two are included, one for each camera. All of the screws and bolts and everything you need to get the camera installed and get the solar panel on it. We've got some power cables right here, and these are USB-C to USB-A, so very nice these are included. Looks like we got some kind of extension cables as well, so hopefully you can install that solar panel wherever you need it. But wow, look at the length on these. This is female to male, so this is awesome. These, wow, great job. Part of our mounting system right here, and I believe this is going to be for the solar panel. So right here looks like it'll be adjustable, so you'll be able to spin it and turn it and rotate it. Super simple. Install this, put this on it, clip it in. Wow, good to go. Mounting brackets for the cameras themselves, and these things are so great and easy to use. You put them on, you slip the camera in, and it snaps into place. Very awesome little sticker is included. 24/7 monitoring. Aosu. We've got an Ethernet cable and our power cable, because keep in mind you do get the hub on this, so you'll be able to run it directly into your router or modem and store all of that data on it and not on the cloud. Now we're getting into the important stuff. This is our little hub right here. This is the Aosu Cortex system. Ooh, nice little sticker for you guys there. This cover is magnetized, so you can install additional hard drive space right here. You see a little hard drive slot, so very, very cool. And that is magnetized. On the back, we've got our Ethernet cable, power, and a USB-A port right there. Most likely, you'll be able to store additional data here as well. Very nice, super simple, awesome. And both of the cameras. Very, very cool. Again, this is a 2-camera kit, so you get 2. We'll take a look at this one up close right here. Ooh, removing the film. We know you love it. Looks like we got some kind of speaker right here. We got some lights on this thing. Cameras look really nice. This thing feels high quality, and of course it does. It's Aosu, so it's always nice. Looks like we got a power port right here where you'll be able to reset it and things like that. Right here is the other power port where you'll be able to set up your solar power. And just to demo how easy it is to set up, you'll set up your mount and then you'll slide in the slot, push it up, and it's locked into place. Then when you're ready to pull it off, just in case you need to check it or charge it, you just push that little tab and it slides right off. But let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out.
Today we're going to be taking a look at the Aosu 4K SolarCam T2 Ultra Security Camera
With the Aosu Cortex system.
4K color night vision with evidence-grade clarity, the f1.0 stop ultra-wide aperture, and large 1 by 1.8 inch starlight sensor capture full color footage even in total darkness. No floodlight needed. Clearly identify faces and plates day or night.
And just to demonstrate how powerful the night vision is on this is nighttime taken with my phone right here. Now you can see the true color night vision without the light. This is no light on this. And then you can see the true color night vision with the light. So this is powerful. It does daytime and nighttime It's just going to capture everything.
90 days of local storage with no subscription fees. You can store up to 90 days of footage with the built-in 32 gigabyte memory, and it's expandable up to 16 terabytes via the external drive. No monthly fees, no cloud dependency for storage, your video, your control. This solar power security camera system keeps your data private and easily accessible. 360-degree coverage plus auto patrol. Pan 355 degrees and tilt 90 degrees for wide area monitoring. Tap to view and app-based patrol functions allow you to check any angle instantly. Supports up to 4 cameras for full home security system coverage across your property. Triple smart detection with fewer false alarms. PIR, radar, and on-device AI work together to detect human activity accurately. This home security system filters out movements from trees, pets, or vehicles, delivering alerts only when necessary, so you're notified only when it matters. Solar plus battery power for always-on protection. Stay powered all year long. Just 90 minutes of direct sunlight to keep your camera running continuously. The large capacity battery ensures reliable operation even during cloudy or rainy days. The detachable solar panels let you mount it for best sunlight exposure.
This is a pretty unique solar panel also because it can be completely removed from the camera, so you can attach the solar panel wherever you need it to get optimal sunlight, or you can attach it directly to the camera.
Multi-camera tracking for complete context. If several cameras pick up movement, the system automatically links the clips into one video and sends you over just one alert. You'll see the whole event in context without repeated notifications, making your wireless outdoor security smarter and easier to manage.
AI-powered AosuCortex support,
so you can enjoy the sky's detection, smart event tracking, and multi-camera live view.
The AosuCortex system helps
you to understand events more clearly, while Aosu's responsive customer support team ensures consistent reliability and assistance whenever needed. Optional AI features so you can upgrade your security intelligence. You can customize your surveillance and explore powerful pay-as-you-go features via the Aosu app, including Smart Search, so text-to-video queries, daily security reports, and abnormal behavior analysis. These advanced AI tools are subscription-based and entirely optional, allowing you to flexibly upgrade your monitoring experience only when needed.
And Aosu is going to give you options this time with the T2 Ultra. You can get the standalone camera, which is just a single camera that of course you can add to your Aosu base system or AosuCortex system, or just use it by itself. You're also going to have the T2 Ultra with the Aosu base, and this is the standard base right here, which is going to be able to store all of your footage and allow for camera-to-camera tracking. And finally, of course, the AosuCortex, which we're reviewing in this video, which is the AosuCortex system, which utilizes advanced AI security. And the AosuCortex system supports up to 8 devices simultaneously, which includes doorbells and other cameras. AosuCortex is changing the game.
All of this AI technology with security is just a genius idea. The fact that you can go in there and just search up moments by keywords is just very awesome. I gotta say, Aosu, great job.
As you know, we worked with Aosu in the past multiple times, and their products are always fantastic. They're so high quality, and they're just... they're really nice. They're really nice. Then I mentioned that they're always a great price, so they're nice and affordable. But we want to give a huge shout out to Aosu for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.